Welcome, my friends. This loving, guided meditation is for anyone who identifies as a woman or is called to celebrate the women in their life. I invite you to find a safe and comfortable place and position yourself in your most natural state that you can hold for the next 10 minutes or so, whether that is sitting up or lying down. There is no right or wrong way to practice this meditation. And once you are ready, take a few slower, deeper breaths as you begin to relax your face. And let's start by giving yourself a great big bear hug, wrapping your arms around yourself. And as you breathe in, squeeze your shoulders up to your ears for a few moments. And then gently roll your shoulders back down. Gently release your grip. Spread your arms out wide to open your chest. Take a breath. And as you exhale, switch the arm that was on top and give yourself another big bear hug. Breathing in and squeezing your shoulders once more. And gently roll your shoulders back down. And you can gently release your grip and allow your arms to float down to your sides. Or you may choose to hold the bear hug for as long as comfortable. Taking a soft gaze on a fixed point, or closing your eyes, whichever feels more natural to you. While you are settling into this space today, you may choose to put a hand or both hands on your heart, or you may choose to put one hand on your heart and one on your stomach, and take a moment of gratitude for yourself and enjoy this moment of stillness. I'm going to count backwards from 10. With each number, take a deeper, slower breath and allow yourself to relax a little more. You deserve this moment of self-care and relaxation. Here we go. 10. Deep, slow breath. 9. 8. Releasing tension from your body. 7. 6. Softening your muscles. 5. 4. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Open your lips a little to facilitate your breath. 3. 2. Enjoy the sensation of being relaxed and still. 1. 0. Just take this time to focus on your breathing. Enjoying the sensation of the refreshing air filling your lungs. Noticing how your body expands and moves with each breath. As women, we are such beautiful, complex individuals. We embrace wisdom and courage. We find continuous levels of strength and compassion that we aren't even aware of sometimes. We are filled with empathy and generosity for others, and rarely ask for anything in return. We are fierce and nurturing leaders. We have a purpose for being here, each as individualized as we are. We are perfect just as we are. No one else can be just like you, even when others may try to emulate certain traits that you possess. Be proud of the amazing creation that you are. And now I will leave you for a bit to revel in your wonderfulness. And now, my fabulous friends, if you are ready, Slowly bring yourself back to awareness. Take a few deep breaths in to refresh and energize yourself. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to recall how amazing you are. Use this meditation whenever you need. May peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. Thank you for joining me.